Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a ride across the Big Four Pedestrian Bridge, a historic landmark connecting Louisville, Kentucky, to Jeffersonville, Indiana, over the Ohio River. Originally completed in 1895 as a railroad bridge, it was later updated in 1929. After years of disuse, the bridge was transformed into a pedestrian and bicycle path, opening to the public in 2013. The bridge spans 2,525 feet, with its longest section reaching 547 feet. The Ohio River beneath us is at its widest point in the Louisville area, partly due to the McAlpine Dam. This revitalized bridge not only offers a unique pathway between two states but also provides stunning views of the river and the Louisville skyline.
Thank you very much.
It's a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its history while promoting community engagement.
for watching!